Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making camera transition effects for Unity. Alright, let's jump into that. And here we have Fade Camera package which has been made 9 years ago, but it works perfectly. uh, it has been made by Tsubaki. Thanks to him for this great package. I will share the link of this package into the description of this video. You just need to come over here and click on code, download zip. After you download this package, you have two ways. First, you should come over here and drag and drop fade folder into your projects folder, or you can import fade camera to .unity package, then fade camera to sample.unity package into your project. But honestly, I prefer to just drag and drop this fade folder into my projects folder. It is exactly what I've done. Okay, here I did it, and here in the fade folder we have sample scenes, which is transition and UI. Let's move on to transition. As you can see, we have just a prefab fade canvas which has fade image a script. Let me start the scene. Okay. This is it. It makes a transition. And here, as you can see, we have different colors as a background of this effect. For example, let's make it green, my favorite color. And now, look at this. Or it can be white. Okay. Here we have mask texture. As you can see, mask textures, they are just like this, and these are two images we have in the package. Let me drag and drop this test image to the mask texture, and now look at this. You can see the effects will be like this. Even you can make any method, any picture you want via Photoshop, or I made this photo by describing what I want to ChatGPT. I just said, okay, let's make a photo like this and make sure it has to be a gradient between black and white, and it was the result I received from the ChatGPT. And now let me drag and drop this photo to mask texture. Look at this. It is so beautiful. Excellent. Now I want to tell you about after we made a photo by ChatGPT or by Photoshop or any solution you have. You have to import the photo to the project as a PNG file. You have to change the texture type to single channel. Make sure alpha is transparency is checked on, and change the alpha source to from grayscale. And eventually you have to change the filter mode to point, no filter. After that, if you apply, you will have a photo like this, and you have to drag and drop that photo to the mask texture. And now let's take a look at the script of this package. Here, for example, that script we have fade image, or this is fade. Here we can call the function of fade out crouton by logicking here, for example, this is the end time, end frame. Let me open that script, fade image itself. Look at this. We can define override void start by calling this update mask texture, and here we can update mask texture by changing the receiving color from that variable, and everything it will be editable here. I don't want to talk about the script because and there's nothing to change. But what matters is the effect itself works perfectly. Even in this scene, we don't have any camera, but it works perfectly. And another sample scene is UI, and it works on the canvas itself. Even in this sample scene, you can change the canvas, the image color of canvas during the transition as well. Look at this. It is a transition of only only image, nothing else, and we have two modes from pink to purple. So we can change anything here. For example, we defined fade out, fade in first for that group, okay, and after that fade out for that group as well. All right. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.